is sponsored the Dreamina AI. The Dreamina AI, you can edit the image, and so Dreamina AI is really cool from Nano Banana. And you can create the image, and you can edit the two images. So you can type the prompt, and you can type this command. After you press enter, but you must login. So you must enter when your birthday. After you sign in, you see guys, you will see this is the image is so cool. Wow, the male using hat. So the Dreamina AI is so really cool from Nano Banana. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to talk about how to upgrade to Windows Server 2025 from Windows Server 2022. So let's begin in this video. So you can download the Windows Server 2025 Insider Preview from the Microsoft website. You must log in using your Microsoft account and select Windows Server Insider Preview. So click Select Edition, and so select latest version, but this version still using kernel channel. After that you can click confirm. Select language United States and click confirm, and you can download the Windows Server 2025 ISO. After you download the Windows Server 2025 ISO, so mount the Windows Server 2025 ISO. So open setup up. So you see guys, in Windows Server 2025 installation, click check how setup download update, and so click not right now, and press next. In Windows Server not use Cell account control, so you must enter your product key. You don't have a product key, you can select this button, then select your edition of Windows. Make sure the Windows Server edition is same. You can check your version of Windows Server. This is edition Data Center edition. You must upgrade to Data Center edition. If you using standard edition, you must upgrade to standard edition. Upgrade to standard edition. If you using Server Data Center edition, not work because your files and apps will be removed. So select Windows Server 2025 Data Center Desktop Experience, because Windows Server core version able to using in Windows. After that, so click next, then click accept. Choose what to keep. This only two option. You can select nothing to click install, or you can select keep files, apps, and keep files, apps and settings to keep your data and app. And I will select this. Click next. So this is the what needs your attention. You'll be trying install a pre-release copy of Windows. Set up flighting or select enable to let your device use light. Flight sign build. You then need to restart your device to continue. You can click enable. Okay guys, ready to install. And so working, not a problem. And click install. Now installation process will be started, and I will wait the process up the update process until finish. Now your PC will start in a few moments. Now your system will start and update to Windows Server 2025. You see the system will update, working on update 30%. Please keep your computer on. Computer may will start a few times, and you will see you must press Ctrl Alt Delete to open your PC, because Windows Server need to Ctrl Alt Delete to open your PC. You can enter your password. You can enter the administrator password. So send diagnostic data to Microsoft. Select include optional, and you will see this is the Windows Server 2025. Check the version on my Windows. This is the version 24x2, and this is the Windows Server 2025 Insider Preview. But you can go back to Windows Server 2022 downgrade using go back option, because I open settings and select recovery. You see that no go back option because not a Windows 11 or Windows 10. In Windows Server no go back option, so that's why you can go back to Windows Server 2022 using go back option. You must reinstall your Windows. So thanks for watching the